On the banks of the Amazon River, hopping from tree to tree, you'll see the yellow-billed toucans, as proud as they can be. With bills of turquoise and red, orange, blue, and green, toucans come in all sorts of colors, bright and bold to be seen. Toucan fly, toucan hop, bright and bold from tree to tree. Toucan fly, toucan hop, brightly colored, so easy to see. And when they're with friends, they pluck fruit from the trees.
Plucky, plucky, plucky,
And play ball with their bills and eat as much as they please. And when thunderstorms come, under umbrella trees they sit. And when the rain stops, they spread open their wings and into the sunshine they flit.
Ooh.
Toucan fly, toucan hop, bright and bold from tree to tree. Toucan fly, toucan hop, brightly colored, so easy to see.